final thing to add to it is our preservative. We've added everything I showed you earlier. We'll be adding our preservative, and I told you just 1 teaspoon, which I've measured here. I'll be diluting it in just a little quantity of water. Then I'll be adding it straight to the production vessel. Now I'm going to cover this for the next 2 hours. So I'm going to see you in the next 2 hours. Thank you.
Up and do what you know is right. You were born to reign. Greatness lies deep in you. Make the world a better place.
Wow, welcome back. It's been 2 hours since we left our production to settle. Now it's settled, and I'm sure you like what you're seeing. It's settled and clear now. It smells so good, so lovely. Different types of packaging, I will be teaching you 2. I'll be showing you just 2 packaging today. The bigger quantity, which is the 5 liters, and the smaller quantities, which is the 500 ml. You can actually use a longer one or use this to package it. Now let's go into packaging proper. I'm going to start with the 5 liters, which you can sell to your families and friends, church members, mosque members. This is a multi-purpose liquid soap which can be used for laundry, for washing plates, for everything washable in the house, for cleaning. So we're going to be packaging into this big jar. Down to the small bottle, we filled the 5 liters. Now we're filling the smaller bottles, the 500 ml, and wow, we're done. We're done with the packaging. The next step is just to wash this, clean it up, and put our stickers. I'm sure you love what you're seeing. This production is as simple as ABC, is as simple as what you're learning in your school. There's no serious thing in this. It's so easy, and I want you to make up your mind that you're going to practice what you're learning today, and I tell you, you will enjoy it. Now let me quickly take you through the pricing of all of this.
More than you think, need to rise up and do what you know is right.
Presently, this goes for 1,000, between 1,000 and 1,002 in the market, and this goes for 500 naira. Just speak to you. Now you're going to get this container for highest should be around 250, 300, and these you get around 150, 200 presently. That's if you buy in pieces. But I'm sure you know that if you're buying in bulk, it's going to be cheaper for you to get it. And what you need to do is calculate your cost of the chemical that you have bought. Everything we used today is less than 2,000 naira. The chemical, the everything we used in producing all of this is less than 2,000 naira. Now imagine selling this for 1,500 or even 2,000. Or better still, you package it in the smaller bottles and you sell it at the rate of 500. Can you imagine the cost? You can get 10 of this from this container. Meaning if you're selling in this bottle, you are going to be having 12 of this at 500. That means your cost is around 6,000 naira. And imagine spending like 2,000, 2,500 for production, and you're selling at the rate of 6,000 naira. Imagine the profits, how profitable it is. I want you to go home, watch this over and over and practice it. Tell daddy and mommy to give you a gift of 2,000 naira. Put this into practice. Sell it to your neighbor. I'm sure your neighbor will love to buy this from you. And I tell you, you are there making money as a little child, helping daddy and mommy. In fact, I'm sure mommy would love to borrow money from you. You can loan mommy. Mommy, can I loan you money and you pay me interest from your proceeds? I want to encourage you to practice this, and I'm sure you will be happy you did. SWS Kids Rock. Thank you. Once again, I remain your one and only be your own boss advocate. Oluwatimileyin Oluwakemi. It's my name. Thank you. See you.